Good morning, students. So today I will start one concept, division algorithm. Division algorithm. Okay. So what is division algorithm? So suppose that if we divide x square plus 2x plus 1, okay, by x plus 2, okay. So first divide it. So here this is dividend, this is remainder, this is quotient, and this divisor. Okay. So we know that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, so here page number 34 it is given, if px and gx are any two polynomials with gx is not equal to 0, then we can find polynomial qx and rx such that, means if dividend represented by px, okay, divisor represented by gx, okay, quotient represented by qx, and remainder by rx. So this relation will be, okay, this divisor, this quotient, and this will be remainder. Okay, means you have to learn this formula. If anywhere asking verified division algorithm, so you have to verify this relation. Okay, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, and here also you can verify. So dividend is here x square plus 2x plus 1. This is LHS. So if RHS also equal to LHS, then verified divisor, that is x plus 2 into quotient, that is x, plus remainder, that is 1. So right hand side simplify. So x square plus 2x plus 1. So both sides equal. So division algorithm verified. Okay. Sometimes in 1 mark question also ask relation. Okay, or in 1 mark asking division algorithm. So this you have to write and give one example. So now we can start exercise 2.3. Okay. In that question, first part. Divide the polynomial px by polynomial gx and find the quotient and remainder in each of the following. Means here we have to divide px by gx. Okay. And find the quotient and remainder. So first part, in that px is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. Okay, and gx is equal to x square minus 2. Okay, so divide it. So px, divided by gx. Okay. So you see divisor and dividend, their highest power of variable. Okay. So here x power 2 and here x power 3. So in x square by which we multiply get x cube. Okay. So that you can find by x cube divided by x square. So what will be? X means multiply by x. Then multiply in all terms of divisor. So x into x square x cube, x into minus 2. So minus, where matching you write below that term. Okay. Then subtract it. So this cancel. So this minus 3x square plus 5 plus 2 plus 7x minus 3. Now highest power this minus 3x square and here x square. So x square here also x square. So minus 3x square by x square. So minus 3. So write here minus 3. Then multiply in all terms of division. So minus 3x square plus 6. Then subtract it. Cancel. So 7x minus 9. Now remember their power of variable is less than power of degree of divisor. Degree of remainder is less than degree of divisor. So division stops now. Okay. So asking quotient and remainder. So quotient, that is x minus 3 and remainder, that is 7x minus 9. And this division also you have studied in class 9th also. Okay. Then second part, px is equal to x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Okay. And gx is equal to x square plus 1 minus x. Okay. So divide px by gx. So x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 divided by x square. You write in proper order. Okay. So x square minus x plus 1. Here x square highest. Okay. And here x power 4. So divide x power 4 by x square. So x power 4 minus 2 is equal to x square. So means in x square, if we multiply by x square, then x power 4 will come. Okay. So multiply in all terms of division. So x power 4 minus x cube, not matching here. So write separately. Plus x square. Subtract. Cancel. Then highest power you write first. So x cube, this minus 4x square plus 4x. Okay. So x cube by x square. So x power 3 minus 2 is equal to x. Multiply in all terms of divisor. So x cube minus x square plus x. Cancel. Minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 plus 3x and plus 5 also remaining. Now minus 3x square and here x square. So minus 3x square upon x square. So minus 3. Right here minus 3. Multiply in all terms of divisor. So minus 3x square plus 3x minus 3. Subtract. This 3 minus 3 also cancel. So 5 plus 3 8. Okay. So quotient, that is x square plus x minus 3. And remainder, that is 8. Okay. So like this third part also you do. Okay, you try from yourself. Our third part also you see here. So Px is equal to x power 4 minus 5x plus 6 and Gx is equal to 2 minus x square. Okay. So x power 4 minus, so 2 minus x square, right in proper order. So minus x square plus 2. So x power 4 divided by x square. So x power 4 minus 2 is equal to x square. So multiply by x square in all terms of divisor. So and minus, sorry, this is minus, so minus will be here. So minus x square. Okay. So x power 4 minus 2x square, not matching, so write separate. Okay. This cancel. So this 2x square minus 5x plus 6. So now 2x square divided by minus x square. So minus 2. Okay. So this 2x square minus 4. Subtract it. Okay. So minus 5x plus x. So quotient, that is minus x square minus 2 and remainder minus 5x plus 10. Okay. And same question number second also, only difference is check whether the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial by dividing the second polynomial by the first. Only difference is in question number second, if remainder becomes 0, then divisor will be factor of dividend. Clear? But if remainder is not 0, then divisor is not factor of first polynomial, is not factor of second polynomial. Remaining things same like this. Okay. Means when remainder becomes 0, then factor. Not become 0, will not be factor. Okay. So in question number second, I will tell you one part. Okay. And remaining part you try from yourself. Okay. So any part, first part, second part I will tell you. Okay. So question number 2 there, second part. Okay. So divide the second polynomial by the first one. So second polynomial in this 3x power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. Okay. Divide by x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay. So same like question number first. Okay. So here x square and here 3x power 4. So 3x power 4 divided by x square. So 3x power 4 minus 2. So 3x square. Okay. So multiply in all terms of divisor. So 3x power 4 plus 9x cube plus 3x square. Okay. So 5 minus 9 minus 4 minus 7 minus 3 minus 10 plus 2x. Okay. So minus 4x cube, then divide by x square. So this will be minus 4x. So right here, then multiply all terms are divided. So minus 4x cube minus 12x square minus 4x. So change their sign. Cancel. Minus 10 plus 12 2 plus 2 plus 4 6 and then plus 2 also. Okay, so 2x square divided by x square is equal to 2. So right here 2, multiplying all terms out. So 2x square plus 6x plus 2, then subtract it. So cancel 6, this also means 0. Okay, so what we will write, since remainder is 0, therefore first polynomial is a factor of second polynomial. Okay. And like this, remaining part, first and third, you do from yourself. Okay. Then question number 3. Okay. So in question number 3, obtain all other zeros of polynomial if two of its zeros are under root 5 by 3 and minus under root 5 by 3. Means two zeros are given and remaining two zeros are asking. Okay. So question number 3. So two zeros are given. Okay. So two zeros are under root 5 by 3 and minus under root 5 by 3. So by these two zeros you find quadratic polynomial. Okay. So quadratic polynomial, therefore quadratic polynomial is, you know that alpha and beta, so x minus alpha, x minus beta. Okay, so x minus alpha is this under root 5 by 3 and beta, that minus here also, so plus. So a minus b, a plus b, so a square minus b square, so x square minus 5 by 3. So by this you divide that given polynomial. So given polynomial is given 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. At this, these are the two zeros. So this is quadratic polynomial. So by this means this is a factor of this polynomial. So by this you divide this, and after dividing you find remaining two zeros. So x square and here 3x power 4. So process I told you, 3x square multiplying this, so 3x power 4, 3 cancel, minus 5x square. So here is matching. Okay, then subtract. So 6x cube minus 2 plus 5, so plus 3 and minus 10x. Okay. So here 6x cube and here x square, so plus 6x, multiplying that 6x cube 3 2 minus 10x. Okay, so 3x square and here minus 5 also remains. So x square and here 3x square, so 3 multiply 3 cancel minus 5. Okay, so remainder becomes 0. So what quotient is coming? Okay, this qx, that is 3x square plus 3x plus 3. So factorize it and find remaining two zeros from this, because we know that by division algorithm dividend is equal to divisor into quotient and remainder is 0. So here for this question remainder is 0. In that case dividend is equal to divisor into quotient. So divisor there two zeros, so remaining two zeros from quotient. So factorize it. So 3 take common, so x square plus 2x plus 1, and this is the whole square of x plus 1 whole square. This is, so separately means remaining two zeros are, okay, x plus 1 whole square means x plus 1 into x plus 1. So separately you put 0, so x is equal to 1 means both will be -1 -1, and remaining two zeros that, okay, so 4 zeros this that -1 and -1 also, okay, and remaining two questions and optional, so that I will discuss in next video. Okay, thank you.